guys, you are welcome to my official YouTube channel. My name is Nsikak and I make videos on how to make money online right here with your smartphone. Alright, so if you are here for the first time, I would like you to kindly subscribe, turn on the bell icon, and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that notification bell, and then smash the like button so that whenever I drop important videos like this, you will be among the first persons to take part in it. Alright, so with that being said, thank you. I believe you must have subscribed, turn on the bell icon, and leave a comment below letting me know whatever challenge you have. Alright, so in today's video I'm gonna be talking about a new platform, just like um, a Binance. Alright, it's a good platform, a very unique platform that is likely going to take over Binance with time. Alright, so how are we going to make money with this new platform? Alright, that's what we are going to be talking about right away. Okay, so now let's head on to the platform. This is it. This is the platform. Okay, so now how you make money from this platform is this company is a crypto exchange company, just like Binance. Right, they are coming with full force to take over the market, to take over Binance in Africa and at large. Right, so what they do now is they are looking for people like us to help them advertise their products, as they are so that as they are launching, it will just be a blast. Okay, it will just be a blast. So what they do is they pay you and I to help them, bring in more people, invite our friends, and in turn they give us rewards. They pay us for helping them advertise and more people bringing in more people. And then you don't have to, have a PayPal account, Payoneer, all those rigorous process. No, they don't want it. What they do is they pay you directly into your bank account. They pay you directly into your bank account without much, you know, troubles. Alright? So how are you going to make money from these people? What they do now is, when you sign up through my affiliate link, right? When you sign up through my referral link, you're gonna get $2, and I'm gonna also get $2. As you can see here, this is my current balance. This is my sign up bonus. So you also gonna get $2 if you sign up through my referral link, right? Which I'm gonna leave in the description below. So immediately you sign up, and not just signing up, you have to sign up and then download the app and make sure you verify your email so that you can receive this $2 bonus. If you just sign up and leave it like that, I'm not sure you're gonna get this. So for them to be sure that you're serious, to be sure that you're a human, you need to sign up and then download the app and verify your email address. Immediately you do that, you're gonna receive your $2 commission, right, or bonus. Okay, so in order to earn more, you need to bring in people. You need to refer your friends. So when you refer your friends, for each person that signs up through your referral link, you're gonna get $2. Imagine, referring like 5 persons per day. Let me just keep it at the minimum. Referring 5 friends per day. How much is that? That's about $6, right? If I'm not mistaken. Oh, sorry. That's about $10. Sorry, that's about $10 per day, just by referring people. You're not paying anything. All you have to do is reach out to your friends. They are not gonna pay a dime. you reach out to them to, sign up through your link, and then you earn your easy $2. I believe with that, this is not that big. You get? This is not, kind of big job for you to earn. Anybody can do this. So imagine if you put your heart to it, you know a day you can be making up to $10 to $20 by simply referring people. Okay, so that's how this thing goes. All right, after signing up, this is how the interface will look like. As you can see, this is the number of people that have joined already. Okay, this is the number of people that have joined already. So when you sign up, this is how the interface is going to look like. All you have to do is to click on it, refer a friend. When you click on that refer a friend, it will land here, and then if you want to use your referral code, this is it. You just click on copy my referral code, and then when your friends want to sign up, or if they've signed up, you give them this referral code so that they will impute it, and then you can earn your $2 commission. All right, but if you don't want to do it that way, this place you're seeing share my referral link, you click on it. Let me click on it so that you see how it is. You click on it, it will appear like this. All right, so this is how you share your friends on WhatsApp. You want to share it to your friends on Telegram, Facebook, or email, whatever way you want to share it, you can as well. Click on it and then share it to your friends, or you can also click on copy to clipboard to get your referral link. Right, so that you can easily share it to your friends without any issues. Okay, so that's how it works. I believe with this you can start earning as much as you want. But then I'm gonna do something. All right, I'm gonna leave my a link to, my WhatsApp link, so that you can reach out to me in case you have any issues, in case there's something you don't understand. I can help you sort it out. So while I leave my referral link, I'm also gonna leave a link to my WhatsApp group, so that you can reach me any day, anytime, in case there's any challenge. All right, I look up to you succeeding. All right, so don't forget to click on the to join the WhatsApp group. All right, but then there's something else I want you to understand. This company has a policy, and then one of their policies is that when you refer up to 35 persons, you will need to place or um apply for withdrawal. Yes, you need to apply for withdrawal. There's what they call championship. When you refer up to 35 persons, you will apply for championship, which, no, sorry about that, you will apply for championship, right? Which is when they are gonna pay you directly into your bank account. They're gonna pay you directly into your bank account. So that is how it goes. But peradventure there's any other updates, I'm gonna let you know. But for now, that is it. That is all you have to do, right? That's why I want you to be in a WhatsApp group, so that if there's any update, if there's any challenge, I can share with you. If there's anything you want me to do, I can help you do it, all right, without much stress. Okay, so please, kindly like this video, subscribe, and make sure you turn on the bell icon, so that whenever I drop more updates like this, you will be among the first persons to take part in it. All right, just like and subscribe, so that it will motivate me to do more videos, and create good content. All right, thank you so much. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Have a good time.